Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we have some unfortunate news to share. Just a few moments ago, a SpaceX Starship rocket experienced a catastrophic event during a test flight, resulting in its explosion. The incident has sent shockwaves through the space community, and we're here to provide you with the latest updates and insights. Stick around as we delve deeper into what happened and what it means for the future of SpaceX. Let's get started. Witnessing a rocket explosion is a stark reminder of the inherent risks associated with space exploration. As pioneers in the field, SpaceX has always pushed the boundaries of what's possible, and setbacks like this are part of the learning process. It's important to remember that failure is often a stepping stone to success. SpaceX has been developing and testing their Starship rocket with ambitious goals in mind. This incident occurred during a high-altitude test, where the rocket was undergoing a series of maneuvers. Preliminary investigations will be crucial in understanding the cause of the explosion and implementing necessary improvements for future missions. Indeed, safety remains a top priority for SpaceX, and their rigorous testing procedures and continuous innovation have contributed to their success thus far. It's worth noting that failures have occurred throughout the history of space exploration. Even NASA faced setbacks during the Apollo program, but they ultimately succeeded in landing humans on the moon. SpaceX has released an official statement expressing their gratitude that no injuries were reported as a result of the incident. They're committed to investigating the cause thoroughly and ensuring the lessons learned are applied to future rocket designs. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, has always emphasized the importance of pushing the boundaries of technology. This event will undoubtedly have an impact on SpaceX's timeline and plans. However, setbacks like this are not uncommon in the aerospace industry. It's important to acknowledge the tremendous progress SpaceX has made, such as successfully launching astronauts to the International Space Station and developing reusable rocket technology. That's all the information we have for now, but we'll continue to keep you updated as more details emerge. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey, and it's through these challenges that we grow and advance. Let's remain hopeful for the future of space exploration. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content.